as the question says, a stone is fastened to one end of the string and is whirled in a vertical circle of radius r. Find the minimum speed the stone can have at the highest point of the circle. So let us first draw the diagram for this question, in which we are having a block, that is the stone, which is actually moving in a vertical circle. So it will be having the highest position over here at some point of time, and similarly it will be covering over here also. Now they want to have the minimum speed at the highest point. If we assume the mass of the stone be m and tension in the string be t, then for this topmost position we can write the equation of motion. That's what the forces that are acting actually for this block, and that can be the total centripetal force, because obviously if it is moving in a circle it must be having the centripetal force, and that will be equal to mv square by r, and that will be provided by the net forces on this stone, which are here the tension, because tension is acting in the downward direction, that is towards the center, tension plus mg. Now we have added mg because mg is also acting in the downward direction, that is towards the center, and all the forces towards the center must be added. So we got this. Now as the tension increases, the velocity increases, but we need the minimum speed. So we need the minimum tension, and we know that the minimum tension at the highest point is 0, because once this stone reaches this point, it can easily cover the rest of the path. So the minimum tension is 0 over here. Putting it like that, we get mv square over r equals to mg. Cancelling the factor of m, we get the velocity being under root rg, giving us the value that is under root capital R, that is the radius over here, and the g, which is the gravitational acceleration due to gravity.